Hi, I'm Lucy from China. Now let me introduce the transformer turns ratio tester. Before that, let me introduce the accessories. Look, there are two keys. This one is the DTR, and this one is the accessory case. In the accessory case, there are connection wire. These two connection wire. We are connected the tester with a transformer. The earthen wire. The print paper and fuse. Communication line. In the tester, there is RS232 terminal. This is the connection. The communication line. And the power line. You can see the power line is American standard. We can supply the power line as per your country's standard. Okay, now let me introduce let me show you the operation part. Okay, now let me introduce the transformer turns ratio tester. You can see the case, the black case is very solid and waterproof and anti-fouling. Let's open the case. Let's open the cover. Now is the operation part. You can see this tester is made for another customer from Mexico. The power supply is 127 watts, frequency 60 Hz. It's the power of Mexico. Now let me connect. Okay, let's power on the machine. Okay, let's power on the machine. You can see the menu, the main menu. The screen is a colorful touch screen. The size is 7-inch. The screen size is 7-inch. On the left side, there are terminals, high voltage terminal and low voltage terminal, the power socket and grounding terminal, and the power switch. Before we test, you need to connect the wire. You need to connect use the wire to connect the power transformer. Now I only show you the screen. Okay, here is the printer and U-disk and RS232 interface. You can print results or take out results from here. In the screen, you can see there are 6 menus. For this tester, it can test 3-phase power transformer, single-phase power transformer, and Z-type transformers. Okay. You can set backlights here. Okay, now let me show you the three-phase. Now you can set up parameters here. If you do the three-phase turns ratio testing of the transformer, you can set up parameters here. You can tap information. Okay. You can tap information here, and the rated high voltage of the transformer and the low voltage. Okay, you can change. Use touch screen. Okay. You can set up the connection, vector connections here from high voltage to low voltage, vector from 0 to 11. The test mode, you can choose three-phase or winding polarity test. After test, then press start. The machine will automatically test. Okay, let me show you the history. You can see this is the history. After the test automatically test, the results will show you the voltage ratio, the error angle results, also the tape position. This tester can track tape position automatically. Okay. The single phase set up parameters same with three phase. Okay. And Z-type transformers. It's same. Oh, I want to show you this tester have another function. It can, let me show you. It has a Bluetooth function. Press the button, you can see the QR code. With your mobile, you can scan this code and install app to your mobile. Then you can control this tester with your mobile. Later I will show you. Now let me show you the Bluetooth function. You can download app to your mobile. This one. Okay. You can scan this code to make your phone and the tester connected. Then you can control the tester by your mobile. Okay. Like 11. Oh, okay. Yes, you can see it's same parameter. Okay.